Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. I want to take a quick second and thank all the channel members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you all so much, and I appreciate any of you who come through to watch the content. It means the world to me. I do invite you, if you're so inclined, to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon. It really helps the channel out and let you know when I upload new videos like unboxings. And the unboxing knife, bagging, boxing knife I'm going to use today is my little Amazon razor knife that has not let me down, knock on wood, yet. This is from, I believe, White Mountain Knives. They're big about doing the box in the bag because I order priority shipping. Seems to get here a little bit sooner. And these are a couple of knives I brought in specifically because I wanted to review them and then probably make them eventually giveaways after I review them. And if they have other videos, I'll just have to see what I think about them. But they're two knives that I was very interested in, so I bought them with my money using Javon 10 as my discount code. Javon 10 saved me 10% on both of these guys at White Mountain Knives. And let's just start with the CJRB. I ordered a CJRB and I ordered a Vosteed. I'll tell you what, we'll start with the Vosteed. The Vosteed is another version of a Vosteed that I currently have that I like very much. I'm a big fan of Vosteed, as you see here. Vosteed Raccoon, Vosteed Support, Vosteed Swag, little Vosteed Ranger Eye here on this pouch. And then we have cleaning cloth, nice pouch, and our Vosteed knife. So this looks very familiar to me. This is the Vosteed Raccoon, and this is the button lock. All right, very, very stiff detent, or it was stuck. Let's see. Guys, this thing's got snappy ass detent. I mean, it fires out there, but I cannot reverse finger flick it. I mean, I got to really get in there to break that detent. I'm gonna have to take this apart. Something's wacky here. Or they've just really nailed the detent, because if you can hear it, it snaps out. But this is the Warncliffe, or sheep's foot, I should say, version of the Vosteed Raccoon. Let's see if it... I always get curious on the spine whack. And the button has absolutely no stick. The detent is amazingly stiff. Strong is the right word. It's amazingly strong. I can reverse flick it, but I've got to really get in there and under there and pop it out. Maybe it just needs to break in a little. I know now where to put my finger. Whoops. Wow. Again, I think as far as button locks go that notoriously have no detent, we will probably take this apart at some point and see how they've achieved this detent, because it is, like I say, you barely push the button and it snaps into the lock position. I can do away with the reverse finger flick, or I guess I should say with an easy reverse finger flick. I can still get it. It's just not as easy as the thumb flick. But to have that type of detent, is... there's either something wrong with the Raccoon, which I don't think is the case. I think Vosteed has come up with a way, because they're, in my opinion, they're one of the kind of unsung innovators in the knives that I've seen, especially in the mid-range to value knives, budget knives. So I would not be surprised if there's something that has been updated in this Vosteed that gives it that popping detent. Again, I can reverse finger flick it, just I have to get it from a little bit lower angle firing it out. And I mean, it just feels, detent in a button lock to me is a unique thing. It feels very different, and I think it feels good. This one is in black micarta, deep carry clip, 14C 28N blade steel. I got the black blade and black micarta. It does have a reversible clip. Again, we will do a review on this knife, full review, after I've carried it for a while, and we'll take it apart, look at it compared to the other raccoon, and see if there's a difference there that increases that detent, for science, of course. But that's the first unboxing from today's mail drop. So let's see what we have here. This is another little knife that I was impressed. This is a second variation, we should say, maybe. A little troll candy in here. A little slip with more troll candy. Really nice up-game cleaning cloth. And in here we have a big pouch and a tiny ass knife. So yeah, guys, I don't know if you can tell what that is, but that is a CJRB mini pyrite. Titanium. The Wharncliffe blade. AARP. Their proprietary steel. Button lock. Whoops. Very light blade, as you might imagine, but it's got a very nice front finger choil. I like small knives. I'm a huge Devo nip fan. So when I saw that these were in stock, I don't have the Wharncliffe regular pyrite. I wanted to try it. So this gives me an idea to try it in a 5th pocket variation with a little finger hole as opposed to the thumb stud. And it just needs, I can tell it just needs to be broken in a little bit. But it absolutely flies out. Let's see how I just do spine wax because that seems to be a thing people are doing now. Let's do a real quick couple of cut tests. Again, you guys know these just came out of the box, have not been stropped. This is super sharp, has a great tip for utility cuts, busting straps. You can get this tip in anywhere. I'm impressed with the sharpness of that little guy. And as always, no surprise to me there. Vosteed is, they come from the factory as sharp as any budget knife I've ever purchased. I'm a big fan of Vosteed cutlery. Also a big fan of CJRB and artisan cutlery. I've had over the years great knives from all these companies, Vosteed being a newer brand, and CJRB kind of really jumping. I think the Rio was one of my first just banger little budget knives, which is a fantastic older version. And these little guys I think are going to be a lot of fun. Again, this is just an unboxing as I fail it. And we have got the CJRB Mini Pyrite. Let's see if it says anything on here. The model number is the J1933 Black. What I'm not sure of is if this is aluminum. I can see the milled out scales, or if this is titanium. I have a feeling it's titanium. Aluminum wouldn't be magnetic either. And then this one here is got an amazing detent. And it is micarta and AARPM steel. So we've got a little warning, a little sheepfoot unboxing, a couple of budget knives that I picked up to bring into the channel for you guys so I can tell you about them. These are available now in both a lot of different colors. I was amazed by all the crazy colors. I was happy I could get black, but these are available now, as are these. And guys, if you do go to White Mountain Knives and you want to save 10%, there are a lot of codes you can use. I'd love for you to use Javon10. Again, I just get bragging rights. All the discounts go to you guys. It's not an affiliate link like I have where I'll get paid 5%. I'll list on my videos where I have an affiliate link, which is usually at places like, it'll pretty soon be at NAF sale. Hopefully I'll have something worked out with Kaiser and with Amazon when I buy stuff and share it. But mostly I'm just going to be able to share places where I got the knives, or if there's more information on a manufacturer site, I'll share that site with you, because again, I am buying these with my own money, but I did use my discount on this one. Guys, I appreciate you. I appreciate all of you who watch the content. I can't thank you enough. All I ask is that you please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for one another. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. Be kind, everybody. Till we meet again, which will be soon. Peace.